Are you struggling to lose weight after giving birth? If so, you're not alone. Many new mothers find it challenging to lose the baby weight and get back into shape. But don't worry, because today we'll talk about some tips that can help you reach your weight loss goals. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Motherhood is a transformative experience that shapes not only your emotions, but also your physical self. Your body carries, stretches, nourishes, and gives. But once the baby arrives, the changes don't always fade away. And what's left behind can affect more than just your reflection. It can affect how you feel in your own skin. You gave your all. Now it's okay to give a little back to yourself. During pregnancy, it's completely natural for women to gain 10 to 15 kilos. This weight often settles in areas like the breasts, belly, hips, thighs, and lower back. The abdominal muscles stretch and sometimes separate. The skin expands, leaving behind stretch marks. And even after losing the baby weight, many moms discover that the shape of their body feels different, sometimes disproportionate. Some weight disappears quickly. Other areas hold on. For many, the breasts deflate while the waistline remains stubborn. These aren't flaws. They're signs of strength and sacrifice, but they don't have to be permanent. Today's body contouring procedures are designed with care, safety, and individuality in mind. These aren't one-size-fits-all makeovers. They're repersonalized rejuvenation plans created in partnership with experienced plastic surgeons who understand the journey you've been through. Depending on your needs, treatments may include tummy tuck, abdominoplasty to tighten weakened abdominal muscles and remove excess skin, liposuction to sculpt the waist, thighs or back with precision, breast lift, reduction, or augmentation to restore balance and comfort. For many women, combining these procedures offers a more cohesive, balanced result and a shorter recovery time. But for others, a staged approach may be safer. It all depends on your body, your goals, and your health. Before you consider surgery, it's important to ask yourself 3 questions. Am I done having children? Is my weight stable and healthy? Have I finished breastfeeding? These questions aren't hurdles. They're part of making sure your results are long-lasting and safe. And so is emotional readiness. That's why we emphasize counseling alongside consultation. Understanding your motivations, expectations, and concerns is just as important as choosing the right surgeon. Body contouring isn't just about changing how you look. It's about reclaiming your confidence quietly, intentionally, and on your own terms. You've done everything for your family. Now it's time to do something for yourself. Start with a conversation. Book a private consultation with a certified plastic surgeon or a counseling specialist who understands your journey. Explore your options. Ask your questions. Reconnect with your body, not out of pressure, but out of pride. Because motherhood is beautiful and you deserve to feel that way in every sense. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more learning videos.